Burying electrical cable and a plastic water line in the same ditch is not allowed. This is due to potential safety hazards and code violations. Electrical codes and plumbing codes mandate specific separation distances between electrical lines and water lines when they are buried underground. The primary reason for this separation is to prevent electrical faults from energizing the water line. If an electrical cable's insulation fails or becomes damaged, the electrical current can leak into the surrounding soil. If a water line is in close proximity, the current can then travel through the water line, posing a significant risk of electric shock to anyone who comes into contact with the water line or any connected plumbing fixtures. Furthermore, dissimilar materials in close proximity underground can lead to corrosion. Electrical cables and water lines are often made of different materials. The presence of electrical current can accelerate the corrosion process, potentially damaging the water line and causing leaks or failures. There are specific requirements for the depth at which electrical cables and water lines must be buried. These requirements are designed to protect the lines from physical damage, such as from digging or other construction activities. Burying both lines in the same ditch may not allow for the required burial depth for both, potentially compromising their protection. It is crucial to consult local electrical and plumbing codes to determine the specific requirements for burying electrical cables and water lines in the area. These codes vary depending on the location and may have additional restrictions or requirements. Always maintain the required separation distance between electrical cables and water lines. Generally, this distance is at least 12 inches, but it may be more depending on the voltage of the electrical cable and the type of water line. Ensure that both the electrical cable and the water line are buried at the proper depth, as specified by local codes. Use appropriate materials for direct burial, such as underground rated electrical cables and approved piping materials for the water line. These materials are designed to withstand the harsh underground environment and resist corrosion. When backfilling the ditch, use clean fill material that is free of rocks or debris that could damage the cables or pipes. Compact fill material properly to provide support and prevent settling. If it is necessary to cross an electrical cable and a water line, maintain the required separation distance and consider using a non-conductive conduit or sleeve to protect the electrical cable. Always obtain the necessary permits and inspections before burying any electrical cables or water lines. This will ensure that the work is done safely and in compliance with local codes. If you are unsure about any aspect of burying electrical cables or water lines, consult with a qualified electrician or plumber. They can provide expert advice and ensure that the work is done correctly and safely. Ignoring these safety precautions can lead to serious consequences, including electrical shock, water line damage, and code violations. Therefore, it is essential to follow all applicable codes and best practices when burying electrical cables and water lines. Firstly, always check local codes and regulations for specific burial requirements in the area. Secondly, maintain a safe separation distance between the electrical cable and the water line, typically at least 12 inches. Thirdly, bury both lines at the proper depth to protect them from physical damage. Fourthly, use appropriate materials that are rated for direct burial and underground use. Fifthly, backfill the ditch with clean fill material and compact it properly. Sixthly, obtain necessary permits and inspections before starting the work. Seventhly, consult with qualified professionals if needed to ensure the work is done safely and correctly.